What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zone 2. I'm back with another video. This time I have a special guest,
ZT, the barber.
I'm gonna put his YouTube channel down below. So I know on my videos I usually do shoes and shit, but this time I have a challenge for y'all. Today we're gonna be doing the Guess That Chicken Nugget challenge. The loser has to eat something nasty that they picked. So without further ado, let's get into it. And for this, we're gonna be blindfolded, so it's gonna be harder for us to guess. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, put your blindfolds on.
Here we go.
Okay. So we gotta get. Okay, so we got the first chicken on their plate. It looks like this.
Is it really? Where's the plate at?
Is it on there already?
Where's my plate? Somebody put me in. You traced yours yet?
I'm waiting for you.
Wait, how
Where's the plate at?
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, I know that.
It tastes good, yo.
I don't know.
Okay. I think I know this.
Okay, on 3, you guys can each say your answer.
Okay.
Okay, it's time to guess. What is your answer?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go with Sonic.
I don't know, like Burger King or something. It don't taste too top tier.
Both of those are wrong. You can go ahead and take your blindfold off and look at what it was.
Oh, that's why. I might eat from there.
Dang. That was good though. I ain't gonna lie. That
It was good right here. Okay.
Alright, there's something.
1, 2, 3, go.
You record?
The heck, that sounds like
That fish?
Fish? No. The heck?
Wherever this from is not it.
It's not.
Oh my god.
I think it's something nasty.
You guys have been
Ew.
here before.
No. This ain't the one. Whoever
Hold up.
you are, y'all gotta work on y'all's chicken nugget game.
Hold up. What is that?
Why did you do that?
Okay. I think I know this. Yeah, okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
KFC.
Is that... Dude.
I'm disappointed whoever this is, man. Damn. I'm going with Burger King, man.
Open, it's in front of you.
Oh my
That
gosh.
shit is nasty. Oh,
Yes, those are the worst.
He said, is this fish? Okay, this is where the next place is from. Okay, 1,
Okay.
2, 3, go.
I'll take a small bite.
Damn.
Damn.
Ooh, that's playing with me. I know what it is, but I don't know what it is.
Man, this chicken is weak.
Damn. Hold on, man. Because it had me at first.
This Bojangles Joan. I know that.
Is that your guess?
That's my guess.
Okay, tell me what's your guess.
I'm going, Burger King.
Okay, you guys can look. It's on the table.
Was it? Oh my god.
I should.
That didn't taste like the
I should've
McDonald's
ate
chicken
whole.
nugget.
Oh,
I think
you
because it was
just-
cold, it threw me off.
No, you can't use that excuse.
Nah, for real, that just threw me off. That tastes like deer meat at first. I thought it was deer.
This is where the next chicken is from. Okay.
You ready?
Okay, you can eat it.
Oh my god.
It's so crunchy. It's a bag of chips. Damn.
This was a tender.
Oh, I know this one. This tastes good. Let's know. Give us 3, 2, 1, and we'll guess.
I know that one.
3, 2, 1.
Popeyes.
Okay, you can look.
That's good.
Yeah, Louisiana. We know that. You feel me?
That was good. Save that for later.
Here's the next place. Okay, you guys can try it.
Flounder.
Tricky.
This is nasty. This tastes burnt. What is this?
What the heck?
I know this one.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't
Okay,
know
you
this.
guys can guess on 3.
I don't. Hold on.
This one is pretty good.
I don't even know what this could be.
Yeah. I'm on the road, baby.
Bye.
All right, this one. Okay.
I think. I don't
Okay,
know.
1, 2, 3.
Bojangles.
Wendy's.
Both wrong.
What?
Look.
Bruh.
Wendy's, that's disrespectful, Zach.
That ain't, but that didn't taste like deer meat like it usually do. That tasted, I don't know. That was
See,
yeah,
all
that
the
was
other
different.
guesses I should have known.
I thought you Okay, so we decided to set the last 4 out so they can have an easier chance of guessing. I'll say 5 and there's 4 there.
Okay.
Okay, TGI Fridays, Crispy Crunchy Chicken, Wendy's, KFC, and Bojangles. Those
Okay.
are the 5 I'm giving you. Okay, this is what I'm doing next. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
It's gotta be, yeah. It's gotta be that.
That's what I was thinking.
It gotta be that one. That joint tastes like,
Is it good?
It's kind of good. Kind
It's
of.
cold,
Oh, he
man.
kind of likes it.
That's the problem. I know what it is.
All right, do it 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Wendy's.
Guess.
Wendy's.
Oh, they're still tied then. That was right.
Right.
You guys get tired, you both have to do the challenge.
Yeah.
Or eat cold food.
Okay, this is the next place. It's
Damn, this is a big piece. Took the fork down.
This chicken got some heck weight on it.
okay. Go.
Oh shit, I don't like that.
Shit. Oh my god. Hit me in the mouth and shit.
Oh, I know where this from.
I ain't like you. I think I know it. Hold on. It's hot.
It's hot.
Spicy?
Oh, it's spicy food.
What?
Yeah,
Damn,
that
this,
joint.
this,
Come
hold on,
on.
this throwing me off the first bite.
I know what it is.
I'm not big.
I don't need security. This is why I take the lead.
Let Tommy
He said,
guess first then.
Nah, really, I guess at the same time. Make it easy.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
KFC.
Damn, KFC. Yeah.
You're both wrong.
What?
What? There's no way.
Wait,
It's
they can't.
spicy.
This one's next. This is what it looks like.
I promise you it wasn't. I know what it was. Oh, shit.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, don't say that.
Damn, what is this?
Next time, can the chicken be warm? I appreciate that.
Oh, I don't know this.
It's
They call
between
it
two. And I think I know who. Give me a second. That's him.
That's good, though.
That's him right there.
1, 2, 3.
Bojangles.
Oh, they're both right.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys are right. So one's left. This is either Fridays or KFC.
Don't tell me.
This is the last one. Ew. Go.
Smells like a wind.
Ew.
Oh no.
This
No.
tastes like spinach. What is that?
What?
I know what this is. This reminds me of my childhood.
I think I know what it is, but it's just
Yeah.
nasty.
No.
That's just nasty.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, bring back in. I know that chicken. Whenever y'all ready.
Throw up.
That shit is nasty. Whatever this is disgusting.
Okay, I'm 3.
KFC.
No, that can't. Not KFC. That's. I don't know what that is, but that shit's nasty.
Go ahead, throw something out there.
I'm gonna go. Nah, KFC. It is KFC.
Okay, well you guys tied.
So
We have a tiebreaker. They should each have to do the punishment because they're not smart enough to know the other 10.
I don't care. Hand me the punishment.
Okay.
Okay.
We can just put it on your forks.
It's not no worms, is it? Is it dead or alive?
No, it's not. It's not an animal.
Yeah, it's not meat or
Nothing that
anything.
would be like that.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Okay, since both of them didn't guess all of them, they got a tie. They have to do this as their punishment, so we both put it on their fork. And we're gonna feed them it.
The fuck is that?
What the fuck is that? Hell no.
Zach didn't even let me put it in.
What the fuck? Ugh.
You had cocktail sauce?
What is that?
Cocktail sauce.
Where's your plate?
Right here.
What is that?
Zach, you barely even ate any.
Nothing else. What is that?
That's spicy cocktail sauce.
It's not cocktail
It's
sauce.
tartar sauce or something. God damn.
What is that? Tiger bone?
That joint's hot.
What is it? Let me
It's
see.
just hot, spicy mustard.
It's from the Food Max.
Hell no.
Tommie definitely won the
I don't
punishment.
suggest that.
Look at Zach's fork.
So that's it for this video. As y'all can see, we do not know chicken at all. KFC, Sonic, and Arby's. Terrible.
Cut it out.
Terrible. That was nasty.
KFC, you know better. You know better.
Y'all ruined his childhood. Cause
You know.
he was excited.
Sonic, you're trash. And
Arby's,
everybody else.
Arby's, just stick.
Maybe
stick
if
to
it was warmer, you know what I'm saying?
yeah, maybe that, but
yeah.
other than that,
Till next time.
that was nasty. But that's it for this video. If y'all want to see more challenges, let me know down in the comments below. Some 2 out.